Welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a TikTok themed cake. It might seem a little silly, however, this is a very popular theme at the moment, especially among young adults. So let's get started.
I start out by frosting a 6-inch cake dummy with black vegan American buttercream. I had also printed out this blown-up TikTok logo. I cut the white, red, and turquoise pieces apart. Then I rolled out some white fondant and cut out the shapes of the white piece and placed it on the cake. Then I rolled out some red fondant and cut out the red pieces and placed them reassembled on the white piece. And do the same thing with the turquoise. Then I rolled out some white fondant and used an alphabet cutter to cut out the letters to form the word TikTok. I cut out the center of the letter O and placed them as centered as possible onto the side of the cake. Before I placed the O, I used a circle cutter to take a little bit off the side of the O. Then I used the same circle cutter to shave a small crescent of turquoise and red and place them around the O of the word TikTok. This is a fun cake. It's perfect for those who love to spend their free time watching TikTok videos, or especially for those who create TikTok videos. For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and of course, TikTok. Subscribe for a new cake every week. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.